Okay, hi you all. Okay, hi boys. Alright, so sorry for that. Sorry for today and until 27 October that I already informed you. Alright, all of you should know that I'm staying at Selangor. So it's difficult for me to go to Australia because of they have something that halang saya lah. Ada urusan yang membuatkan saya work from home lah. Okay, but for today, first, alright, this first video, we will discuss first about the exercise that I gave to you last week. Alright, so all of you, please prepare and check, alright, whether you already get the correct answer or not. Alright, for those that got wrong answer, please do a correction. Use different ink, your either your pen. Okay. Alright. So this is the first question. Alright. So this is for last week. We already finished the topic of a set. Right. We combine all of it. The Venn diagram, complement of a set, subset, element of a set. Right. So this is the exercise that includes all of that. Right. So first we discuss the number one first. Right. Alright. So for the question number one, alright, you all of you can see either your exercise book or you can just see on this video. Alright. Given E equal consonant in the word inovasi and F equal factors of 14. Okay. The first question asks you list all the elements in E and F and B, 1B, all the possible subsets of E and F. Alright. So from this question, alright, you should know they have two sets in this question. The first set is E. Okay, the first set is set of E. Right, equal consonant in the word inovasi. Okay, consonant in the word inovasi. So what is the consonant in the word inovasi? Means all the letters except A, E, I, or U. Right. So make sure do the set of notation like this and write down what the consonant in the word inovasi and comma E, comma and also S. So this is a set for E, consonant in the word inovasi. Right. The second one is a set of F. Right. Set of F, factor of 14. Right. So write down factor of 14. Alright. Maybe for those that not remember what is the meaning of a factors. Alright. I just do a revision again. Right, the factors mean they have a two number. When you multiply, you will get the number that follow the question. Right, so follow this question, factors of 14. So you must define what is the two number when multiply, we will get a 14. So 1, 2, is it 3? No, right. 3 don't have any number. When you multiply, we will get 14. And next one is the what? 4 don't have, 5 don't have, 6 also don't have, and the next one is a 7. Right, why 7? Alright, you can see 2 times 7 you will get 14, and the last number is 14. 1 times 14. Okay, so we already answered the first question, number 1A. All the elements in E and F, right? Element set of E, R, and Z and S. And the element for set S are 1, 2, 7, 14. Right, the next question, right, so this is for 1A, right, means have a two answer, 1A, right, one 1A also, right, we go to the next one. Right, 1B, all the possible subsets of E and F, right, possible subset of E and F means you must define. Alright, when the question like this asks you, you must define first how many possible subsets that you have in a set. Alright, like I already informed to you last week. Okay, they have a formula to define possible subset of E. First, you see on this set, right? How many elements in the set of E, right? So define number element in a set E that have a three elements, right? And number element for set F that have a four. Right, to define how many possible subsets, right, so this is the formula, right, 2 power of n. And follow is the number of element of the set. Alright, so 2 power of 3. So how many possible subsets that have in a set? E? 8. Alright, good. Sorry. And possible subset for set of F, right, you can use this formula 2 power of 10 means 2 power of 4 is equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, you will get 6. Okay, then you must write down all the possible subsets. The question already informed you all the possible subsets, right? Okay, so the possible subset, right? The first thing must write P or empty sets, right? P or empty sets, right? So possible subset for P are empty set. Then you write down one by one the element. And only then continue with hash, then comma. The next one, alright, we already write down each of the element, then we combine together the two elements, right? And S, then and E. Another one is S, me. Right, the next one, right, count. If you're not sure how many left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, means we have another one, which is you must write back all the elements in set E, which are N, S. So when you count back, you have all possible subsets in E. Right, what about a possible subset of F? Okay, the possible subset for F are, okay, again, you must write down the set. Depend on you if you want to write down like set of notation only or symbol of. Okay, this also we call it as a set, right? Okay, then please write down first each of the element in the set F. One only. Two, seven, 14. Alright, so we already done each one of the elements. Then we combine the two elements in a set F. 1 and 2. Continue with 1 and 7. Then 1 and 14. Right, they have a more, right? 2 and 1 cannot, because we already write 1 and 2. Okay? Right, then 2 and 7. 2 and 14. Alright, done. Okay, then 2, 14. Alright, then we continue. 7. 7, 1, we already write down. You can see 1, 7. 7, 2 already. Write down also. We write down 2, 7. Then we continue with the 7. Okay. If you're not sure how many possible subsets that we already write down, so you can count back. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. What that you not write down? Okay. Right. So you already have done two element only, right? So you after this you must write down the three elements. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 14, plus 15, 14. Another more, 2, 7, 4, and the last one is write down again the all set, all elements in the set and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 13, 14. Already baru 15. Alright, so we need to check again. Ah, 10, 11 plus. I'm missing another one. Another one is 1 to 11, 1 to 14, 2, 7, 14. 1, 7. Oh, we need this. Okay, so we already get all the possible subset of F for this video. Okay, so for those that are wrong for this question, please check again and do the question for this one. Okay, can or not? Right, so if you have a problem for the question number 1, you can personal PM me later. Okay, right. So we will go to the next question. All right, hold on. So I clear my canvases. Okay, now we go to the second question. All right. Good. All right. Second question. You can see, right? Maybe they have a light there. All right. You can see given universal set equal positive integers less than 7. Okay. U equal factors of. Alright, so for you, I'm missing the open set of notation there. Please correct that. Okay, if you see in the factors here, one, I'm missing this set of notation. Factors of 42, then B equal prime numbers less than 5. And W digits in the number 49,900. Draw a Venn diagram to present the relation between the set. Alright, so for this one, it's better. I already informed you in the class. For this question, you must, if given in a description, not given to you the all element in the set, you must write down first all the elements. Okay? Okay, so we will do one by one. So we will check together. If you see my writing at here is not proper because I'm writing in the using on my laptop. So it's a bit different with the whiteboard, right? So make sure you understand what I'm writing down. So this is the universal set. So universal set equal positive integers less than 7. Right? So means right? Make sure positive integers. Integers is a whole number. So less than 7, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 3, 4, right? Make sure it's not include with a 7 because you must see the information that's given to you less than 7. It's not less than equal. Hold on, huh? Okay, next one. Set of U, right? So you can write down below here also. U equal factors of 42. So find the two number. 1, 2. Okay, then you're not sure you just count. Alright, so I count at my side here. Okay, hold on, huh? 42. Okay, 3 10. and 4. 4 cannot. 6 can. 7, 14. Thank you. The last one is that 49. See here. 1, 2, 3. Right. So the behind here, no need to write down because the behind here is more than 7. Right. We can see the universal set must less than 7. Okay. So behind that, right. Then just do until that. This behind. Behind here. Because of a more than 7. Okay. Alright, then V. Set of V are, you must find prime numbers less than 5. So what is the prime number less than 5? 3, 2, 3. Until 3, okay? Because less than 5. Even 5 is a prime number. And then the next one, W. W digits in the number 49900. Okay, right. So, what do you think? Where that you missing? Okay, so from this one, 0 also is a positive integer that less than 7. Okay, 49,900. The element for set W is a 0. Okay, alright. So, how we want to draw a Venn diagram for this one? Okay, like you already know, the Venn diagram is the rectangle. The shape of a rectangle. Okay, then the outside here, don't forget the symbol of universal set. Alright, so from this one, you must see what element in a universal set do not have in other set. Okay, right, we can see 1 have in a set U. Okay, 2 have in a set U and V. 3 have in a set U and V. 4, 5 don't have in a and set 6 have in a set U. So from this one you can see, right? 4 and 5 do not have in any set means, right? Means 4 and 5 is the complement set of U, complement set of a V and also W. So we can write down first 4 and 5 at outside. Fine, you can find that. Okay, then after that, 0 has in set W. Okay, good. Number 1 have in set U, right? So you can see the from these 3 sets, you have more element than others. Okay, so we can put the set of U like this. Sorry, don't forget, right? Alright, and you can check. Okay, you can check here. The element in the set B has in a set U. So means, right, B subset with a U. Okay, all the element in the set B has in the set U means B subset set of U means set of B inside of a set U. Then write down 2 set of B and 3. Then this one, don't forget right set of B. Okay. Then the other element that don't have in the set B, put it outside circle of B. So here is a 1 and another one. Okay, so we already done this one. Okay, done. Check, cut. Okay, now we don't have the set of W. So where we want to put? Because W only is a subset for universal set. Means you must must write down or draw another circle here, because W also is not a structure for other set, right? So you must do only the circle for W and here, then write down U in this. So you already get the Venn diagram to represent all of this. Okay, so for those that not got right, please do a correction. Okay, so we already done question number 2. Okay, right. So for that not understand, don't forget you can ask me in the group or you can just personally DM me on the WhatsApp. Okay, so can we go to the next one? First, all right, next one. Okay, next one first. The question. Okay, number 3. Given universal set vowels. Vowels, let's get the vowels. A, E, I, or U. Okay, so write down first. Universal set are vowels. E, I. Okay, then, okay, set of M. Use vowels in the way oasis. Oasis. So you must define what has in the oasis. Letter oasis vowel. Depend on you. When you want to write down a set, you can follow the alphabetical order or not. Okay, but for me, it's better you follow the alphabetical order. Okay. A, right. Then the next one N is vowel in the word again. So means E and I because E will be write down. Okay. Draw a Venn diagram to represent all of this. Okay. First, okay, draw a Venn diagram here. Okay, rectangle. Symbol and outside of universal set. Okay. So we know universal set E, E, I, O, U, right? So then check what element that do not have in the other set. Okay, A has. A has in the set A and also set N. Okay, then E don't have. I have. I also have in a set of N. Then another one is O. Okay, so other one, okay, the so the letter that you have in the other set is the E and so for this, from this, okay, no, that E and U don't have in S and Z, you can put directly at outside. Okay. You don't forget the dot, okay? Right, so from this one, after this, the next one, check which element that have a more than other element. So because you can check whether which is the set in a other set. Okay, so M have more element in a N. Then check if element on N have in an element of M. So element in a set N, all the element in a set N have in a element set of M. So you can see M, you must got a big one. Because M have more right than N is a subset. N is a subset of M because all element in the set N have in a set N. So it's an inside of N. What is that? Okay, so N. What is the element of N? A and I. Okay, then what element that we already write down here? We just cut first. We cut first. A, I. So means we not write down twice. Okay, A and I. N have in an M. Okay, then the element that do not write down yet. So to make sure whether you have write down or draw a correct Venn diagram. Make sure all elements in the universal set here. You already write down. Must have in a Venn diagram. So we check A. A has. E has. I have. O. Then the last one. Right? But very important. Do not forget to write down the symbol of each name of the set. Okay? Can? Alright. So for the set, correct. Please just mark on that side. Okay. Next one. Question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 here. Okay. Can I draw again? This one I just one. Right. Oh, there's one. Hmm. Like right back. Okay. Oh, there's one. Okay. Okay. Kakak mandi kakak. Okay, so done. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay, so from this Venn diagram, okay, the question only asks you to find whether A is subset of the universal set, complement of A universal set, complement of set A subset with a universal set, B subset with A, B subset with C, D subset with A, and also subset with the universal set. Okay. So this one is a more question for advanced level. Okay, so from this, you must understand how to define the answer. It's a very simple tip to you. Right, if you see any set, if the question asks you, okay, this is a very simple tip, alright? If you see any set is a subset for universal set, the question is yes. Because that set inside. First, you must see first lah. You must see whether on the Venn diagram whether that set in the universal set of the diagram. Okay, so from this one you can see. Okay, right? You can see set of A universal set in set of A subset with the universal set. So you can see here set of A is this one. Set of A here inside of the diagram universal set here, this one. So is it A subset for universal set? Okay. Of course, yes. If the question asks you the reason, okay, we can do like this. So this is the what we can do. First, list down. Oh. First, all the elements in the universal set. So means everything in the diagram, whether in a set A, B, or C, is the element in a universal set. Okay, so there's a one, one, again lah. Right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, don't have a plan. Okay, done with the element set of set A. So what's the element for set A? So we must see inside in the circle of set A. Right? I have a number 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. Hey, why teacher? Okay, this set, you must see this one. Inside. This is all here is a set A. Alright, so everything in the circle of set A is the element for set A. Okay, next. Okay. So then you can check between this. Is all element in a set A has in a set universal set 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. You just think first, right? If not given to you any element, you just see the diagram. If that set inside universal set is here, so means that set is the subset for. Okay, then next one, if you're not sure, you can do. Don't worry, not wrong. Okay, then complement of the set A is the subset with the universal set. Complement of a set A means outside. It's not inside the circle, outside of the circle. Okay, if the question asks you to shaded region, you just see where is that set. Okay, you can see this is a set A. Alright, complement of a set A means outside. Choose a complement set of A is means outside, not inside the circle of. So all of this is we call it as complement set of A. Okay, not sure again. Okay, write down the element. No worry. So you just see we have a number 2. Oh, that is the complement of set A. Outside in the diagram set of A. Outside the circle of A. Okay. So what the answer? This one, yes. This one also, yes. Okay, all true. Okay, next one. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, next one. Okay, I write here first. Okay, let me padam lah. Okay, alright. Next one. B subset for A. B inside A. Of course, the answer is yes. Okay. If not, if the question asks you, okay, B, what's the element for B? 1 and 8. Check with this one. 1 have in set A, 8 also have in set A. So, the number 3, the answer is true. Okay, B and C. B subset with C. Okay, so from this one, if you write down C here, the element of the set C is this one. This one, inside of C. Right? Inside of C. Okay. One. Element of C are 1, 1, 4, 5. 1 have in a set C. 8 don't have. Okay, so B, is it B subset with C? The answer is no, or false. Okay. Alright, what about the number 5 here? Okay, so for question number 5, B subset with A. We already write down the answer here. But B subset with A and subset with the universal set. Okay, we do the shaded region first. B subset with the A. Right, B subset with A. Then I choose other color. Then B subset with A and subset with the universal set. So, is it this one inside universal set? Yes. So the answer is true. Okay. So good. For those that understand all correct, good for you. So to others, you must understand. For a set is you must understand carefully and check whether the element of a set has inside. That one is a subset. You must check whether the all element in one set have in the other set. So that one is a for subset. So we already done discuss apa? Sorry, already discussed we already discussed the exercise last week that we already done. So please check again. If you get wrong, like I said, do a lot of exercise. Please do a question. Not understand, person can ask me the question. Okay, so anything you can ask me. Alright. So this video only for discussing the previous exercise. So I will see you on the next video. Alright. See you later. Okay. Bye.